Murungamiri wa ithurano Nterechia Maara na itete uge bwawe iguru ria ithurano bia muchujo jwa kiama kia UDA jira jurethiritwe jugikarika ntuku yecho. Ntere muchujo jo ni jwari na gasagasa kathomba kumania na mathanduku gutererwa na kinya kariba mwe kuga kwina wamba bwakura na aria abitha murungamiri muchujo jojo ethiritwe agitejaniria Mpumi jicha Maara. Abisa ojo Timothy Murimi augete Mpumi unirari na maitia kathomba akiuga kinya ni batonyeri ni antu kenda itumirwa kuringana na wendi bwao. Norotete abisa wa mitambo akiuga noe urethirwe akithukia Mpumi una njira ya gutumira mitambo na kwou gutigarurania mbere ya guchituma. Mati Mugambi gatwambiririe.
Imunthira twika ntugo ya chierewa maumithio ma muchunjo wa kiama kia UDA kiri gicigo mbunge kia Maara kiretaga mpangaratano na nkinya makigarukaga.
There is also a soft copy of results iria could round to the public. Na soft copy it is not from us. I am not well aware that nea tanga sirwe.
Timothy Murimi urora rugamirite uringithia bwakura ino cia muchunjo kiri gicigo mbunge kia Maara aratejaniria maumithio ma muthenya wegoro mararatangachire akiugaga no mai marari na mabetia na nkinya imarari na magocha.
Whatever results utaraumbire kuthoma and where there were errors, we have made corrections.
Kumania na gutejaniria guku Murimi aratangacha maumithio ma muchunjo wa gicigo mbunge kia Maara majeru.
In Mudhambe ward, kwari na contestants baile, Derebia Muisraeli Nyaga agwata 2,908, Gitonga Morris Maugu agwata 1,920. Na result ino jia Mudhambe ni exclusive of polling centers ile jia mbile kutojina a few challenges here and there. I've already clarified kuligontu in Mudhambe ward debe jia mbile kulingangwa na jia dhukangua. But where we got a report from the presiding officers, need to post the results you. I therefore declare Derebia Muisraeli Nyaga as the winner in the contest ya Mudhambe and 2,908 votes. In Chogoria ward, aukola ina challenges nenda mbile wekala na maratathi makwa Monde, as I've showed you here. Nambuga, that is where people sought clarification, and I went down with my clerks. Nambuga, the entire night netola mbile kukwata a physical count of the votes. Jia Chogoria ward, Gitonga Karen Karimi agwata 2,825 na Kiambi Joyce Gateria agwata 3,108. I therefore declare the winner in the Chogoria ward MCA contest as Kiambi Joyce Gateria ena kura 3,108.
Gikaro na ndeki bandeto augite ikurari na mutindiko munene mutindiko rankinyora retaga mpangaratano ino cia maumithio.
Ono kienda kuruta ngugi yaku perfectly mono ne withagira the other forces ile ikwenda ku influence mounto behind the scenes. Nambuge, we have had such instances maybe here and maybe some people kapa mbile go interfere na system, and that is why Mbuga those tallies dia Chogori ile mbile kugana problem. Mbuga that is the only area ina problem. Tuta ina problem na tallies dia Mwembe ward. Tuta ina problem na tallies dia Ganga ward. Tuta ina problem na tallies dia Medero ward. Na tuta ina problem na tallies dia Mudhambe ward.
Kiongera ugite nkinya riboti cia muntu wa computer kana ICT itirathiyanagia na riboti ire irari maratatini. Riboti ire irethagirwa ciumite kirituo bioringi bwa kura.
But netolaumbire kuona a few challenges where tally ile iraumaga from the system ya computer itali the same tallies kulingana na maratathi maria malari on the ground. Mbuga, that was a major issue in Chogoria ward. Na ike gitumi tukwenda ku make a very clear clarification.
Kiripotera WERU weekendi kuma gicigo mbunge kia Maara mbitagwa Mati Mugambi.